Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the Windows 11 update error code not installing problem. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all in the search box type of services, open as services, find out a Windows update. Open a Windows Update service, select the automatic, click on stop, click on start, click on apply and OK button and restart the services. After that close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After that type up net space stop space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that type a command is net space stop space crypt svc and press enter. After that type a command is net space stop space bits and press enter. After completing that, type a command is ren runs space c column backslash windows backslash software distribution space software distribution.old and press enter. After that type a command is ren run space c column backslash windows backslash system32 backslash catrot2 space catrot root2.old and press enter. After that, type of command is net space start space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type of command is net space start space crypt svc and press enter. After that, type of command is net space start space bits and press enter. After that, type of exit and exit the command prompt and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the start menu, go to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, run the Windows update. After that, close it and close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. Okay guys, the last method is that open any browser, go to your any search engine and type a Windows 11 download, click on first link, scroll down and click on download now, create Windows 11 installation media, click on download now, save button. After doing this step, open it. Click on accept button. Click on next button. Select the ISO file. Click on next button. Save any location. The process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. After completing that, click on finish it. After that, go to your save location. In my case is in download section, so open it, open a setup. Now after that, click on next button. Now after that, automatically restart your computer, and after restart your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Now you can see that in my cases my PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement, and if your computer is according to your Windows 11 requirement, then it's automatically restart your installed and restart your computer. After doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.